how to make super easy fidget toys. So yeah. On the screen are today's shoutouts. If you guys also would like a shoutout, just subscribe, turn notifications on, and be the first 20 people to comment hashtag notification squad on my video. Stay safe, everyone. I'm super excited to show you guys how to make them, so now let's start. For the first fidget toy, you will be needing scissors, tape, a few marbles or beads, and a plastic net. You can find this from the bag of avocados or lemons, or like fishnet tights. The first thing you will do is get your plastic net and cut a rectangle in it. Make sure it's not too thin. By the way, once you're cutting, I would recommend folding your net in half and then evening out the sides and cutting the excess to make it easier for you. Once you are done cutting, you are going to fold your piece in half and then get your tape and seal the long side of your rectangle and make sure none of the creases are open. After you finished taping the long side of the rectangle, you're going to choose to tape one of the sides of the rectangles. Don't worry if your fidget toy looks a bit wonky because mine does too. And anyway, next up, you are going to get your 2 marbles. They can be any color. You can also use beads if you don't have any marbles. You can get like 1 to 3 marbles. I would prefer like 1 or 2. And then you are simply just going to put them into your toy. Then you are going to seal the remaining end of your net. And once you are done sealing with the last end with tape, you should have your final product. So basically you're gonna like slide your fingers and like play with the marbles in there. This is a super cool and cute fidget toy that I would definitely recommend. For the next fidget toy, you will be needing a sheet of paper or cardboard, some bubble wrap, scissors, glue stick, and some markers. This is optional, but I would definitely recommend this. The first thing you're gonna do is get your bubble wrap and cut your desired amount of how much you want. It can be big or it can be small. I already have mine pre-cut, so I'm not gonna cut it, but if you have like a really big one, a roll of it, then I would definitely recommend cutting it. Once you are done cutting your bubble wrap, you're going to take your sheet of paper and a pencil and measure it out on the paper or cardboard like this, and then trace it. And after you're done tracing, you're simply just going to cut it out. Next, you're going to get your glue stick, glue on your bubble wrap to your piece of paper, and make sure to glue your bubble wrap evenly. Once you're done gluing, now it's time to decorate your fidget board. So that's why you got these markers and a Sharpie. This part is optional, but I definitely recommend it because it's gonna make your fidget toy much cuter. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and color it in. You can decorate your Pop It fidget however you want, just be creative and have fun. Once you're done decorating your Pop It fidget, you should have your final result. Now you can pop it all day long, and of course, everybody loves the satisfaction of popping the bubble wrap bubbles. This fidget toy is so cute and adorable and very fun to play with. I just love popping the super satisfying bubbles. For the next fidget toy, you'll be needing a small plastic bag. You can choose any size you want, but I prefer smaller because I think it's cuter. Some glue, and this is optional, but you can also use some food coloring, paint, or some glitter. The first thing you're gonna do is open up your clear plastic bag and take your glue. You can use white glue or like a glue wall, but I prefer clear glue. Open your plastic bag and pour a little bit of the glue inside. Make sure to not pour in too much glue, but if you do, then just pour it back into your glue bottle. Once you've finished pouring your desired amount of glue into your plastic bag, you're gonna take some food coloring and put a few droplets of it into your bag. That should be good. And then close it really tightly. Okay, this part is so cool. Then basically just mix around the food coloring with your fingers. Once again, you are going to open your packet and pour in your glitter. Then just seal it tightly again and move it around with your fingers, and that part should be super duper satisfying, so take your time. And after you're done mixing in all of your add-ins, here you have your final product. It is a super duper cute and pretty fidget toy. Basically squish it and move around your glitter. For the last fidget toy, you'll be needing a balloon of any color or like size, some Play-Doh, and lotion. If you don't have Play-Doh, you can also use some clay. First, you're going to set aside your balloon and take your lotion and Play-Doh or clay. You're going to take your Play-Doh, then add a few pumps of lotion in there. Add as much lotion as you want until it reaches your desired consistency. Keep in mind that the more lotion you put, the softer it will get, so if you put too much, it will completely melt your Play-Doh, so add a limited amount. Once you're done kneading in your lotion bit by bit into your Play-Doh or clay, to make it easier to put into your balloon, you're going to split your Play-Doh into little pieces and then put it into the balloon bit by bit. After you are done putting all your Play-Doh into your balloon, you're just going to squish it together and then basically just tie your balloon. Then you're officially done with your fidget toy. This is probably my favorite fidget toy because it is so insanely fun to play with. You can squish it, mold things out of it, and it just feels super nice, and it's a great stress reliever as well. And yeah guys, that's the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below which one you tried and which one was your favorite. I think my personal favorite was probably this cute DIY fidget poppet board, or this one because they just look so cute and super fun to play with. Yeah, comment down below if you want a part 3. Like, subscribe if you want to. Bye!